I'm RJ Palano. I'm from Tampa, Florida. I grew up in New York, and I do most of my work in Atlanta. My first experience with Board of Advisors was the last couple of days, and candidly, it was an exceptional experience. In my preconceived ideas, I really wasn't 100% sure what I was going to encounter when I got here. I knew that there was going to be quality guys based on the person that referred me, but I wasn't really sure what I was going to walk into until I came into the room. And I kid you not, it was after I heard two people speak, I just said, I'm in. I'm in because of the quality of the group, and it's not just the quality of the group, it's the quality of the information that the group brought, and it's the quality of their intellect, because I'm pretty much a house guy. You know, I buy houses, I buy lots of them, take massive action, but we had different modalities of intellect here that overplayed into everything that I'm doing. It's so simple for me to give you some examples of the key relationships I made in the room in the last couple of days. The first guy was John Christodoro, who does media marketing. And the funny thing is on Friday, I forgot to call my new media person in Atlanta. Well, they're not my new media person anymore, it's John. Then there was these guys, this Mike guy, this Mike Citron guy, and then there was Chris, and there was Jason, and there was Aubrey, and there was enough information in the room. I can go on, I could start talking about Stan, and everybody was adding value to everything in the room. It was amazing. They've made their mark in this room. They've made it once or twice, 3 times. Everybody's just trying to pay it forward and do everything they can to help everybody else. Hence, they call this group the Board of Advisors, which I thought was really cool, and I'm very fortunate that I was invited to come. For that person that's getting that video brochure of Board of Advisors, I would say this: when you open that thing up, have an open mind, and just know this, that in this world that we live in, you need to constantly be educating yourself, because the world is spinning so fast, and there's guys with technology and strategies and tactics in here that will sharpen your sword, and you probably have talents that can sharpen their sword as well.